The Piña Colada is the national drink of Puerto Rico, and for a good reason, because it's absolutely delicious. And because of that, you probably often have one more than you should have, so why not try a healthier alternative that won't give you the nasty hangover? For this recipe, you're gonna need a very ripe pineapple, which means it's gonna be really sweet. Start by removing the skin from the pineapple, and because the pineapple is so ripe, you don't have to remove the core. Besides, that only means more healthy fibers for you. Add your pineapple pieces to a blender. Then add a can of coconut milk. Add 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla powder or vanilla essence. Or of course, if you have it available, use some fresh vanilla. And lastly, add a few drops of almond essence. And now blend until it's creamy and smooth. Garnish with a little bit of mint, and you could even add some whipped coconut cream. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!